Christmas is my favorite time of the year. I mean, it's just magical. How can you not love the coziness of the season? You know, sitting around the fireplace as snow falls outside, the smell of freshly baked cookies and Christmas songs. And most importantly, it's a season of celebration and wonder, anticipating the birth of Jesus. Normally, I'm decorating before Thanksgiving, but this year it took me a while to get into the spirit. It's been a difficult year for all of us, but once I started decorating, it put me in the best mood and made me so happy. So I'm going to share with you guys what I did in my house this year. This is the first year we've had a fireplace, and it makes me so happy. We couldn't wait for it to get colder so that we could actually turn on the fireplace, and now it's been very cold. But I added these little stockings. I couldn't wait to put them up. I have two little ones for Molly and Aspen, and then I added a little wreath on top and some garland and some little decor, and it just makes me so happy. It's the little things. I added little tea lights. They're LED battery operated ones, and they're looking a little like weird on camera, but in person they're more warm, and it lights up the rocks at night, and it's just really, really pretty, and I love it. I'm so excited to show you my living room. I redid it, and this is the first time I'm showing you guys. I love it so much. We gotta light a candle first though. Light up the candle, set the mood, set the vibes. I always have candles burning in my house. If you know me, you know I'm the candle lady. I'm obsessed with candles. I recently got a new couch, which changes up the entire living room. I love this couch so much. This is a dupe for the Cloud Couch. It's by a small family-owned business called Monarch Sofas. I'll have all of their information and linked down below. They custom make furniture for whatever you want for your room. They are so awesome. I got 2 pillows that came with my couch, and then the other pillows that I got are from Target. I love this couch so much because it's comfy and aesthetic. It's hard to find both, and it's hard to find the right couch for you. I've been looking for a Cloud dupe for so long, and I'm so happy that I ran across them. I reached out and asked if they could give any kind of promotion for you guys, so they gave me a 20% off discount code, which was so amazing. I'll have it down below, and I do not receive any commission or any money. I'm not being paid from them at all for this. I think they're also doing their own 20% off as well, so I'll have all of that in case you're interested. I always opt to support small and local owned businesses over big ones, so definitely check them out. Molly also loves the couch. She's been snuggling up on this couch every single day. For my console area, I found this really cute little basket from Target, and I put lots of little throws in here that are cozy and comfy. That comes first in this house. You always have to be comfy at all times, so I filled it with comfy little blankets, so when you're watching TV, you can sit and enjoy. P.S. Does anyone else's dog do this? Because Aspen always is just sitting on the ground with a piece of food, and she just guards it. I looked for a media console for months and months and months, and finally settled on this one. This one is from West Elm, so it was a little bit pricey, but I invested in it. I decided to pick it up on their Black Friday sale, and then I decorated it with cute little Christmas decor, little tree, little angel, some little like vase fillers I just put around. And now for the Christmas tree. If you've seen my other decor videos, this is the same tree from last year. I actually bought it a few years ago. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's a flocked tree. I just change the ornaments every year, so it gives it a new look. This year I did gold, red, and a few like white and silver ones, and I love the way that it turned out. And then at the bottom of the tree, I put little presents and this cute little tree truck. I don't know, I found it at Target, and it was just super cute. Next to the tree behind the couch, I have another console table. So this, I kind of made it look snowy and silvery. Just everything was silver, white, and just sparkly and matched with the artwork. I got this artwork from HomeGoods. It was really inexpensive. And then I put some cute little Christmas trees and reindeer and some candles. This wall was very Winter Wonderland snow inspired. I kept my coffee table very minimalistic. I put these 2 sequin candles I found at HomeGoods, and I put vase filler all around with this wooden tray. I liked the different textures on the marble. I thought it looked really nice. And this marble coffee table is from Restoration Hardware. I love the different textures of marble and stone, and then the braided rug, everything. It just feels really cozy. And I think Molly agrees. Pup date, Aspen is still guarding her food. Ain't nobody gonna touch it. Can you imagine me with a child? I will film them and take pictures of them all day long, because you just know with your dog, they're just the cutest thing in the entire world to you. And I can't get enough. Look at that cute little face. I just love her so much. All it takes is Aspen to look away for 1 second, and Molly is ready. Look at that. She took the food. As the big sister, Molly just thinks she can do anything that she wants, and she can get away with it. In my dining room, I kept it gold with pops of red. I got these really beautiful red candles from HomeGoods, and then the garland as well as from HomeGoods, and the little gold pine cones, which I got from HomeGoods. And then I got this really beautiful table runner from Target. It was only $20. I was really happy to find that table runner because my dining table is very long. I wanted to show you how everything looks at nighttime because it's even more cozy, and the ambiance and just the energy in the room. No surprise here, but Molly is still on the couch. Look at her. Thumbs up if Molly is a mood. There's just something about a lit Christmas tree and how it looks at nighttime with the reflection on the window. It makes me so happy. I don't know about anyone else, but all the candles lit, it just makes me so cozy and it brings happiness to my heart and my soul. So this is what it looks like at nighttime. P.S. How cute is this little ornament that I got? I love it. I also wanted to show you guys my skylight, which I've shown before. I'll link it down below, but I have this skylight. I got it on Amazon and it is one of the best purchases. It's a starry night projector and it looks even cooler in person. I couldn't even translate on camera how cool it looks, and they move and there are lots of different settings, but I love it so much. The girls are begging to go upstairs, so let's go upstairs and show you the bedroom. The inspo for my bedroom this year was cozy with a little bit of an outdoorsy feel. So let's start with the credenza. The credenza is the most glam part of the room. I did everything gold with pops of the pine cones and the gold lantern. My mirror is also gold, so I wanted to keep with that theme. And then this gold vase, which I've had for a long time, I found these little pine cones at HomeGoods and I thought they were so cool. Looks like there's like snow on it. I thought they were really unique. On my bed, I got brand new sheets. They're this beautiful olive color. Some of the camera doesn't translate it the way that I wanted it to. It was a little bit hard to get the most accurate color depiction of it, but it's this beautiful green olive. Right here it looks kind of brown, but it's because of the lighting in the room. Simply changing the color of your bed sheets will change your entire room, even if you don't do anything else but changing your sheets to a different color and maybe adding a few pillows. So that's pretty much what I did. I got these beautiful fluffy beige pillows from Target and they have this beautiful detail on the corners. And then I wanted my bed to kind of have that messy undone look, so I kept one of the ends kind of pulled back. And then I got this knit accent pillow. It has black stripes on it and I just thought it was really cool. I really liked it. And then I added lots of throws. I wanted it to be, again, cozy. I know I keep saying that, but I wanted to add different textures with the faux fur and the knit, and I just kind of placed them on the bed in a messy fashion. I really changed the way these throws look depending on my mood. You can switch up how you do the throws and the blankets or quilts, whatever you have. You can really change it up just depending on your mood. This is one of my favorite ways to kind of layer them so it looks messy and undone. There's just something about an undone bed. Like, I'll spend a while just sitting here. It makes me happy though, but I'll just kind of make them look messy until I feel like it just looks cozy and you just want to jump back in bed. If you recognize this Christmas tree, it's because it was the very first Christmas tree I ever bought at my first apartment in LA years ago, and it's still with me. This one is also from Hobby Lobby, and since it's smaller, it went perfectly in the corner of my room, and I just put a few little small ornaments. It's a very unique tree in that it kind of looks more outdoorsy because it's not quite as full. You can kind of see through it, but I really love this tree. I also added a little cozy white knit pillow to my little chair that's in the other side of the room. I moved it from my fall decor. I just moved the chair to the other corner, and this is my bedroom. This is what it looks like at nighttime. It is my favorite time of night to cozy up before bed and to light some candles, and everything about the room just is inviting, and your bedroom is, your space, so it's really important to make it cozy. And even if you can't afford to buy a lot of things, or if you don't have the time to, even just adding a few candles and a few little things to the room automatically just brightens your mood. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love home decor so much and I love being able to share it with you. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'm wishing you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in my next video.